Alright everybody, welcome back today. We got a little bit of an unusual one here. Not super exciting, but this van has been getting a ton of questions asked on our other medias and for sale. This is a 1997 Ram 250. Might be a Ram 350. The VIN number doesn't really decode very well. 46,000 mile four-wheel drive van. This van was originally government owned, and we believe probably through like VDOT, because if you really look into cracks and crevices, you can still see some of that very well recognized yellow/orange color. But seats are in great shape. 3 rows, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 passenger seating. The door opens and closes properly, like it should. I think this is a 318 is what they told me. And after the government, it was company owned. You can still see their logo a little bit on the door. Cold start. Obnoxious buzzer, of course. I just took a peek under it. One of the main questions people ask is what axles used. It appears to be a Dana 44. And we do think that it was probably a Quigley Conversion. It's basically got a 4-link setup on the suspension, coil springs. It has the proper sway bar. Somebody did a good job. Turn it off so I can hear myself talk. Now it does need a headliner. All the board is still there. Unfortunately, our interior guy, after many years, passed away. So we do not have a dedicated interior guy any longer for that kind of stuff. All-terrain tires all the way around it. You can see where the paint's chipped, a little bit of the orange still showing through. Top surface is in good shape. Surprising, because Rams usually lose their paint. Chrome bumper, tow hitch, light harness. We've driven this van quite a bit just to make sure, because we figured it had been sitting. 46,000 miles there. We probably put a couple hundred miles on it, I guess. 5.2, which would be a 318. Painted wheels silver. It could use some hubcaps, but you know, we kept it kind of rugged looking. Chassis is in great shape. It is not rusty. As you can see, rocker panels, undercarriage, floor pans, very solid. So if you're looking for something to build into an off-grid vehicle or a beach travel vehicle for the Outer Banks or Midwest up in the mountains and deserts, whatever you want to do, it's got lock-in front hubs. Again, pretty positive on the Dana 44 with 8 lug outers. Transfer case has the shifter in the floor and same style like what Quigley would use. So again, we don't know for sure, but we've had a lot of Quigley vans, had a lot of 4x4 vans. Vans are partly our specialty for a long time. And we have run it, we've operated it, we've had it on the rack, made sure everything locked in like it's supposed to. As one of the other little telltales, because it's not factory 4x4, they actually even put a light. So really would assume if it was not Quigley, it was definitely a factory type installed system, because they did it great. Not that somebody else can't do it great, but these guys have got it down to a science. Of course, in our off-road shop, Daniel and Brian have done plenty of four-wheel drive conversions on vans and God knows everything else, but most people don't want to spend the money to go this far and do it right. So this is a good van, solid, low miles, runs out well. 318 lasts forever. Came in a lot of cop cars back in the day. Fresh Virginia safety inspection. We also did do a tune-up, a couple filters, oil change, and this van is up for sale. It is 4x4. It's one of 2 four-wheel drive vans we currently have. Try to find the other one here. Oh, there it is. Wrong way. So if you don't like a Dodge, we did just have a Ford that has been sold, and we have this GMC. So you're into 4x4 vans, this one has a kind of a crazy aftermarket wheel and tire that could be tamed down. We also do not have any badge marks or anything saying this was Quigley. We were told this was not done factory, but it was done by a Quigley employee. But we have been over this through the shop. We've checked everything. Made a couple quick modifications just to our liking, but this thing's outfitted really well. 2 rows of seats in this one. Also rear tow hitch, rear LED light, lights up top. A little bit of peeling right here. That's where somebody two-toned around the windows. That's not the body, so not affecting anything. And this has a 60 in the front, so big boy front end. Also linked with a, I guess you call it a radius arm setup. Cool truck, cool van. So 2 4x4 vans in stock and hundreds of 4x4 trucks and SUVs. So let us know what suits your fancy here at Davis Auto Sales. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. Davis Drives.